Hey, what's up, guys? Today I will show you how to fix the drag and drop problem on your HP laptop Windows, but it can also apply to other computers under Windows as well. So first thing you want to do is go to type in search and click on Task Manager. Now click on Run New Task and then type PowerShell like so. Once you're in, kindly type in SFC space / scan now. And then once you're done with that, click exit and then go to CMD command prompt and then type in this string that I have shown here, and then click enter, and then it will show up guest user because I'm using a guest PC, but once you're using your main administrator PC, should be able to load the data, and then click type in exit to exit your command prompt, and then go back to task manager, file, run new task. Now this time click explore.exe. I'm sorry, explorer. And then it should show up here like so, and then you'll be able to drag and drop your finish the problem. Thanks for watching.